Hi, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be creating something like this, right? But of course, it's going to take a couple lectures to do that. But what I want to show you here is that our main goal is to have a button here that when we click plus, it keeps updating the quantity and the prices and all that. And when we take it out, it disappears. All right. And of course, it will also do the minus. All right. So what we need to do is create those functionalities first, and then we'll worry about showing it, showing this information right here or with those nice icons. All right. I just wanted to show you a demo. This is something else that I created, some other demo. All right. And we'll go to the real thing right now. As a matter of fact, let's go and to our checkout at the moment. All right, and we have some static HTML here, so we need to start working on that. But first, let's build a functionality that's going to decrease the amount, increase the amount, and delete the items. All right, so let's go to cart.php here. We have the amount that's going to add, so we're good with that one there. All right, excuse me. Let's go ahead and let's start building the functionality that's going to decrease it. All right, so we could say if we receive something, I get super global, well, get request, right, that says remove, we'll remove, right, we'll grab our session. All right, and in this remove we'll send the ID, of course, but let's just go ahead and write this down like this. Let's actually get it from from here. All right, let's get this. There we go. All right, and this one will be of course removed now. And now what we do is we'll minus it. All right, instead of incrementing, we're gonna minus it. We'll minus 1 out of it every time we get that. Perfect, right? And we could check to see if this is less than 1. We could do something. We could say, you know what, we don't have anything more here. All right, we'll do a redirect. We'll do a redirect and redirect that person to, I don't know, checkout. .php. All right, or we could redirect that person to, I don't know, index or whatever you want. All right, but once this is lower than 1, we have 0 in our shopping cart there. We can display a message we don't have anymore, or we could do whatever we want. All right, I just wanted to show you how this is done. We can do an else here. If it's not equal to 1, what do you want to do? All right, we can go ahead and redirect to the same page or redirect to something else. We'll figure it out later on, and it's up to you to whatever you want to do. I just wanted to show you that this is possible, of course. We'll also create another one here. I think we have some time to create the delete. All right, that's the one we're missing since we already have the add. Let's go ahead and say, actually, it's not a function that we're creating. All right, we'll have here. Jeez. All right, perfect. So we'll grab this one actually. Make sure that we change the name here, delete, and we'll set this equal to 0. How about that? All right. Beautiful, right? And then we can just redirect it back to that page. All right. And then later on we could unset, you know, other sessions, and if we have any other sessions or we are using any other sessions, we can unset them here and unset like the total and the amount of items that we have and all that stuff, so that way we don't keep displaying that in the shopping cart. All right, so hopefully you got that information right here. Actually, this has to be delete right here. All right, let's just make sure that everything is right. All right, this should work according to plan. On the next lecture, we're going to test this out just to make sure that it is working and we're not just writing and then finding out later on that it's not working. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.